Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Power BI Desktop on your system. I'll explain two simple methods, one using the Microsoft Store and the other by downloading it directly from the official Microsoft website. First, open the Start menu and click on the Microsoft Store. In the search bar, type Power BI Desktop and press Enter. Make sure you select Power BI Desktop by Microsoft Corporation. Now click on the Install button. The download and installation will start automatically. This may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so please wait. Once the installation is completed, click on Open. When Power BI Desktop opens, you may be asked to sign in. You can sign in using your Microsoft account, or skip this step and sign in later. That's it. Power BI Desktop is now successfully installed and ready to use. Now let's look at the second method. Open your Chrome browser and search for Power BI Desktop Download. Open the official Microsoft Power BI download page. When you scroll down, you can see details such as the latest version, published date, file name, and file size. Below that, you'll find a short overview of Power BI explaining what you can do using Power BI Desktop. On the same page, you can also check the system requirements to make sure Power BI Desktop is supported on your system. Now, scroll back up, select the language for the installer, choose English, and then click on Download. Once the file is downloaded, double-click on the installer to start the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions and continue with the default settings. After the installation is completed, launch Power BI Desktop from your system. When Power BI Desktop opens, you may be asked to sign in. You can sign in using your Microsoft account, or skip this step and sign in later. That's it. Power BI Desktop is now successfully installed and ready to use.